everybody, welcome to Non-Perfect Parenting. We are here talking about Blocks for Blocks. Now what this is an awesome Lego sorter. So if you have kiddos in your house, chances are you have Legos. And what I really hate is whenever my kiddos play with them and they leave them all over the floor, and then guess what? You inevitably step on them and they hurt. Legos are one of those things that if you step on them, you feel them and they get caught in the vacuum and everything else, and they cause a ton of damage to your feet, to your vacuum, and to everything around them. This prevents that problem, and I will show you how cool it is, because this is probably one of my favorite things that I've reviewed on my site. So you can have a bin like this to keep all of your Legos in. They get jumbled and you can't keep them sorted, and it is a pain. Now, this guy here has been playing with Legos ever since he was this one's age, and then I still have another one who is floating around the house somewhere, and she loves Legos too. We are a huge Lego family. So I will show you how this prevents our Lego sorting issue. So first of all, it has a lid, so all of your Legos are going to stay contained in this cute little sorter. Now, whenever you put your Legos into the top like this, it's going to sort them into these 4 compartments. So in the top, all of your larger Legos are going to stay whenever you drop them in. And then the other ones are going to drop through. So here are your medium Legos. Thank you. And then the smaller ones. And then finally, the tiny little itty bitty ones will drop to the bottom. So like the heads and the arms and things like that will all follow here. So this will be like your mini figures and things like that. So you're not going to have a big jumbled mess like this for all your kids to sort through. It's going to be sorted in a fine little thing like this. So whenever you want to play, all you have to do is separate and divide into 4 little bins like this. So I'll show you how it works. And all you have to do to purchase is to go to the Blocks for Blocks website, and they actually have a cute little video that breaks it down and shows you exactly how it works and sorts. Can I have some of these? But you drop them in and give it a little shake, and you can see. Oh, you want to help? Hang on, let me put the lid on. Okay, we could do it that way too. But see, your larger pieces are right here. Thank you. None got caught right here. And then the medium pieces are right here. And then the itty bitty guys are down in this piece. So this is a fantastic sorter that is going to allow you to keep all of your Lego pieces divided. So once again, here, you want to set this back up. This is Blocks for Blocks. Check the entire review out on my website, nonperfectparenting.com, and get one in your house and solve the Lego sorting solution. Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.